Most iPhone sellers will never tell you this. Before you buy or sell an iPhone, there's one report you must check. iPhone GSX Report. Complete Device History Check. GSX is Apple's internal service system, used by authorized repair centers worldwide. A iPhone GSX report reveals critical detail you can't see from the phone itself. Key benefits of GSX report. Service history. iCloud and activation lock. Carrier lock information. Blacklist verification. MDM, device management. Don't risk buying unknown devices or missing critical warranty information. Get the complete picture with our professional iPhone GSX report service. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more updates.